This video is regarding my CA final face-to-face class at Chennai as well as Google Drive classes for May 25 students who are planning for. And I'm going to change drastically my way of classes as well as the materials. Earlier, I know many of you know that there were 8 books. Now we are reducing it completely through to 3 books. Yes, one question bank, one MCQ book, one colored concept book. Only one book. This itself we will be using in the main class for discussion, and this itself we use for revision classes as well. Only 3 books concept we are bringing into. Just in order to make the student's job much more easier psychologically. Getting it? So we have taken this decision. Before that, this is edition 25, which is going to start from July 17th onwards at Chennai face to face. The same is going to be recorded, and Google Drive lectures are also available, and the price is going to be 8,500 rupees. You can enroll it by contacting on 9700273087. But most importantly, for the first time, I am going to give bumper offer on my CA final existing recordings. Existing recordings are combination of 2024 and 2023. Getting it? Some 80 hours, approximately some 75 to 80 hours were recorded in 2023 itself, and remaining 40 hours were recorded in 2024. It's a combination recording, but remember, they're absolutely relevant. Each and every line is absolutely relevant as per new scheme. So where we are going to give you 8 books. So 3 concept books, 2 question banks, 1 MCQ. Now, like, sir, earlier it was 8, right? Now it was only 3 books, right? What's the difference? Just that we merged into a single books, everything. Some concepts slightly we simplified, not a major change. It is just that in the earlier books, the spacing is too high. The spacing is too high. So now the spaces and all we removed and we made it really compact. Getting it? Like some students are getting a perception that the book is very lengthy just because of the spaces. So after discussing with few students, I decided, okay, fine. So psychologically, my books are appearing lengthy, but they're actually not lengthy. They're as per the ISS study material where we are covering 100% syllabus. Next up. Now, so 5,500 is the existing classes recordings. Right now, whatever existing classes are available, we are going to give you for 5,500, and this is limited only for 250 students because stock is only available for 250 students. So we cannot honor more than 250. So whoever is planning for November 2024, getting it, you all can enroll under this bumper offer. For the first time I'm giving on CA final my existing recording, plus you will get 8 books, you will get 120 days validity, 1.5 U. For enrolling on this, you have to reach on WhatsApp 9700273087. So this is absolutely Google Drive recording, and it's a recording of 2024 and 2023 put together, completely under new scheme, of course. Whereas whoever want to take up my upcoming new recording where I am going to use 3 book concept, 1 complete colored notes discussion, question bank and MCQ, all this put together we are only discussing in 130 hours. In a face-to-face session, the same will be recorded, which is going to be fantastic. This year, as I already told in my previous videos, Shrestha 3.2, you are going to see caramharsha 3.2 also. In both the dimensions you are going to see. So we are going to revamp everything in Shrestha. We are going to change the way we serve students in all dimensions. So this is the first step I'm taking with my CA final audit itself. So 3 books. So for exams, for 1 day, 1.5 day before exam, you can absolutely revise this concept book. So that how to revise this concept book within 1.5 day, that also will be taught in the class itself, in the lectures itself. So the job made very simple. Your job is going to be very simple now on from with respect to CA final audit. So I just want to give this information. Remember, this is a first time offer we are giving you. For enrolling, you can reach on WhatsApp 9700273087. 5,500 rupees only for the first time. I'm keeping lowest price in CA final audit with respect to my classes. So this is only limited to 250 students. Then after, no discounts at all. This is first and last time which I'm going to use. So I generally don't believe in offers, discounts, all that. So but in order to clear in order to help number 24 students, just 4 months. So for the first time limited period offer I'm going to give you. That's it. All the very best. Do well. Take a wise decision.